Are you looking for further advice or inspiration for your family history research? Then I have a number of resources that can really help you break down your brick walls and discover far more about your family history than you ever thought possible. All the following resources are available on my website myfamilygenealogy.co.uk/guidance. You may want to sign up for my free monthly newsletter as a start, or take my online beginners course. I have a YouTube channel and a subscription newsletter if you are a little further in your research and want further inspiration. You can request a talk or read my blogs or follow me on Twitter and Facebook.